Well, hey guys, it's me, Anthony from Zach and Tony Vlog Studios. Today in this video, I'm so excited to say this, but I'm gonna unbox as you can see by the title, I'm unboxing the iPhone 10. I've been waiting this for a few days. I just ordered it Saturday, so it's like a few days. So we're gonna get to this unboxing. So let's get the scissors and rip this open. Oh my god, never in a million years would I have thought of that. And here, before I had a 7 Plus, so I'm going to compare that. So, and I'm going to take this phone case off because I'm going to be needing to take the SIM card out of it, as you know. And also, I got a case for my iPhone X and I ordered one, and that comes tomorrow too. So, this is a 2-piece, so I'll take this off in a sec. So, guys, I've been excited for this. This is the iPhone 10 in silver. So, I want to describe the box. Like, people were confused why it said 9/41 on September 12th. But that's because that's when they finally announced the iPhone. And and as you can see, I got it in silver. As you can see, it says iPhone, and this is like a silvery color, but the other one was like space gray, so it looks gray. So let's just take this off. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Oh my god. So guys, okay, we're gonna reveal. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna put the kids over here. Okay, and the first thing that comes in it is a pamphlet of, I think, okay, there's something else. Hello. Oh, and this is like how to start, some of the gestures, like Face ID, recognizes your face to unlock iPhone, authorize Apple Pay payments, and more. And then home, swipe up to go home, and then a bunch of other stuff. And then, of course, Apple stickers. I don't know what I do with mine. I once stuck it on my bed. So, anywho. So next, okay, so we're gonna, oh my god, so we're gonna take the phone out and just put this to the side. And so this is the stuff that we have inside the box. Of course, we have the little block, which you can't have enough of these. And this is too small. It's not powerful for the 10. So, and let's see, the headphones. What people are saying is they wish they came with the wireless ones because of how expensive the phone is. Oh, and I also got the 256 gigabyte, which is a lot, but it's good. Oh, and then this comes with a little dongle, which is good because I always lose mine, but I always end up finding them. So, and then, of course, we have the charger part. So now we're going to get to the iPhone, and I got to unlock this, so then I have it unlocked. Okay. So here it is, the iPhone 10 itself. I am so excited to be holding one of these. So like I was saying, I got it in silver, which is amazing. This is such a beautiful color. Oh my gosh. It feels so like a good size in the hand, but a lot smaller, weird than the case. Okay, so we're going to peel this off. Oh, the shininess. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Okay. This is a beautiful color. So what I'm going to do is put this down real quick because, as you can see, it's very fingerprint related. I'm going to take this case apart because it's a 2-piece. And I'm going to slide this big bad boy right on in there because I don't want fingerprints on my new phone. Let's see. I got this case from Walmart. It was a $6 case, so $6 case. Okay, so I got the case on, so this is what it looks like with the case, which it looks very cool, and then this is what it looks like on the back, which is very cool. And here's the size. I should have compared it before, but this is still the comparison, which is crazy. So yeah, now let's power this baby on. Oh, and yeah, the power button is so much bigger, as you can see, compared to this. I don't know if you can see it, but y'all know what I mean. Okay, so let's power this bad boy on. Oh my gosh, it's powering on. Oh my god, guys. So exciting. So like this phone's a lot bigger, which I'm sort of used to, so yeah, so let's put that to the side. Oh, does this come with the SIM? The SIM, oh, hello, so I'm just gonna swipe up. Let's English, United States, set up manually. Let's choose a Wi-Fi. So I got my Wi-Fi set up, so let's click next. It may take a few minutes, even though really means a few seconds, because sometimes it says a few minutes, but really means a few seconds. Guys, I'm doing this weird activation thing, so let's hold this up to the... Okay, now it says, enter a passcode from the other phone. Y'all are not... Hey guys, I am back. I had a lot of... It took me a while to do something, so... Data on privacy. Ooh, Face ID. I've been waiting for this moment. Let's continue. Okay, let's set this up. Let's see if you'll be able to see my face. Get started. First scan complete. Okay, so we got that complete. Face ID is now set up, which is very cool because, yeah. Let's create a passcode. Y'all are not going to see this. So I did that. We're going to set up as a new phone, even though I don't. So hold on, I'm going to guys, I got my Configure Mouse in Express settings. You can use, okay, I'm just going to do continue. So it's doing its little loading thing. So while we do that, so I got my SIM card already ejected from this thing. So yes, Apple Pay, we will set up later because I don't really need that. iCloud keychain, let's not use that right now. Siri, okay, let's do this. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, one more time. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, it's me. Okay, Siri is now ready, which I'm very happy about that. Let's see if I can, oh, this isn't, okay. Now we're going to click continue. Oh, it's not sure. To on display, see, it just like makes it move. Like just like, okay, so if you're seeing this little blinking in the corner, it's because that's where the Face ID thing is, and I will be showing an emoji today too. Go home, just swipe from the bottom edge at any time to return home. Okay, that's good. Switch between apps. Swipe up from the bottom edge and pause to show the app switcher. Okay. Quick access controls. Swipe down from the top right edge at open control center. Press firmly on a control to reveal more options. Okay. Oh my god, welcome to iPhone. Let's see if we can get this onto the thing. Okay, so let's swipe up. Oh my god, we're on the home page. Oh my god, this is amazing. So guys, I'm gonna set up my thing and then I'll be right back. Hey guys, sorry it's the very next day. I'm sorry I was just setting up my phone, but it's now set up. The other one's erased and stuff, so I get a new case today, which is gonna be good for my pops. So let's try Face ID. Let's see if we can get this on. See if y'all can focus this. And there we go. We got it unlocked. So now I'm gonna show y'all an emoji. Let me see if this helps. Does that help y'all see the screen better? Okay, sort of does. So, anywho. So let me pull up just an emoji. So as you can see, I got, let's see, focus this in, poop. Well, start from the beginning. I created a Hulk look. And then I created one that looked like Glamora that I'll never use because I'm a boy, not a girl. Then my Animoji. I'll test it out in a bit. Monkey, robot, cat. I think all of y'all know. Dog. All these awesome Animojis. They're so cool. So, try this out for you. So it's like very fun, as you can see. It's like, I don't know how to explain it, like unicorn. It's hard because I'm behind a camera, so it's harder to do. But, you know, it's still good. And then tongue detection, but the tongue does be able to move. The tongue can't move around. So it's like, why? It's not seeing my face that well, so it's not catching it up. Poop emoji. My favorite is the monkey, personally, and stuff. And I like this one. My Animoji, my face. So, and then Glamora. And then Hulk. So guys, that's the Animoji for you. So it's very cool. And stuff, and the camera is very good. I took this one. Let's see if I can get it. It's better in person, but it's like, yeah. So that was good to me. Go add me on Snapchat too. Where is it? I haven't seen it. It's A Brownstead too, but I don't know if y'all can see that. So, but anyway, guys, yeah. So guys, that's the end of my iPhone X video, unboxing video. So hopefully subscribe, like, comment, and thumbs up. See ya next time.